Okay, so this is the fourth question. So the fourth question says, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dot is 78? Nothing but the meaning of the question is which term will become the 78. So you need to find the term. So which term of the AP will be is the 78. That is only you need to find. So therefore I'll write the data again, whatever they have given, 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. So therefore as usual call this one as A1, nothing but the first term, second term, third term and fourth term and so on. So you need to find which term will become 78. So therefore that means it should be the last term. So this is a last term. So therefore AN is the last term that they have given in this AP. So which term will become 78? So that is what you need to find. So therefore here I'll write the data here. So the first term they have given, the first term is 3. The common difference you need to find, the formula is A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. Now here D equals A2 is nothing but 8 minus 3 equals to A3 is 13 minus 8. Now the common difference is 5. So therefore D equals to 5 equals to 5. Nothing but the common difference is 5. Now here what I have said is this will become the last term. In this AP they have given till up to 78. So therefore this will become the last term. So therefore AN they have given, AN is 78. Now what you need to find, as I said, which term will become 78 is 78. That is what you need to find. So therefore N will be equals to question mark. Okay. So now here is the data. Now I'll write the formula. As usual you know the formula to find the nth term of our AP. So therefore AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Here whatever they have given data or whatever I have wrote the data, I'll apply the data to the formula and I'll simplify it. So here AN they have given, that is 78 equals to A is 3 plus N we don't know because we need to find the term only. So N represents term, so therefore we need to find the N. So therefore I'm writing N as like N only. So the common difference is 5. Now send the 3 to the left hand side. Okay, so therefore 78 will be there only. Now if you send 3 to the left hand side, it will become minus 3 because plus 3 is there. So it will become minus 3. So equals to N minus 1 into 5. Now 78 minus 3 is 75 equals to N minus 1 into 5. Now send the 5 to the left hand side. So this is multiplication is here, N minus 1 into 5. If you send 5 to the left hand side, it will become divide. So therefore 75 divided by 5 equals to N minus 1. This is what remaining. Now here just divide this. So therefore so 5 ones are 5, so 5 5s are, so therefore 15 5s are 75. So therefore 15 equals to N minus 1. Now I'll write reverse of this, so nothing but N minus 1 equals to 15. Now send minus 1 to the right hand side. So therefore N equals to 15. If you send minus 1 to the right hand side, it will become plus. So therefore plus 1. So therefore the answer is 16. Now what is the meaning of this? Now you got the value of N. So N is how much? 16. So therefore here in this question, so the 3 represents the first term, 8 is second term, 13 is third term, 18 is fourth term. Likewise, which term will become 78? That is what you need to find. So we got the value, nothing but the answer is 16. So therefore the meaning of this is the 16th term will become 78. That is the meaning of this question. So therefore the 16th term will become 78. Now this is how we need to solve the problem. Very good. Okay, good. Somebody said the answer. It's good. Very good. So like this, you need to solve the problem, and this is very important problem, children. So finding the nth term, nothing but which term will become the 78 or something else. Like this question, they'll ask in the examination. So therefore, finding the n question will be important. Okay. Now I'll move on to the next question, the fifth question. So the fifth question is, okay, so find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Now as how we have solved the fourth one, the same type of problem is the fifth one. So here also you need to find the number of terms, nothing but you need to find n also. Here also you need to find n. Okay, so I'll take the first one. So 7 comma 13 comma 19 dot 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 and 205. As usual, call this as the first term, second term, this as the third term, dot dot dot, and 205 will become the last term. Now you need to find the value of n, nothing but the nth term. So I'll write the data here. So a value, nothing but the first term is 7. Now common difference formula will be a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2. So d equals a2 is 13 minus 7 equals to 19 minus 13. So therefore the common difference will be 6. Okay. Now an they have given, an is 205. Now what you need to find? You need to find n. So n equals to question mark. Like how you have solved the fourth one, so the same step that you need to use here also. So therefore I'll write the nth term formula. So nth term formula will be an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now just apply the data to the formula. So an is 205 equals to a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. So the common difference is how much? The common difference is 6. Now send the 7 to the left hand side, so therefore it will become minus. So 205 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 6. The same step that we are doing again, how we have solved the fourth one. Okay. Now so if you subtract 205 minus 7, the answer is 198 equals to n minus 1 into 6. Now send the 6 to the left hand side, so it will become divide. So therefore 198 divided by 6 equals to n minus 1. Now just divide this. So 6 ones are 6 threes are and 6 threes are. So therefore 6 33s are 198. So 33 equals to n minus 1. Now just I'll write this in reverse mode. So therefore n minus 1 equals to 33. So n equals to 33 plus 1. I am sending minus 1 to the right hand side. It will become plus. So therefore 33 plus 1 is 34. So the answer is 34. Good. So the answer is 34. So that means, what is the meaning of this? So the meaning of this question is simple. So the 34th term will become the 205. Okay. So here I'll write. So 34th term will become 205. Now this is how we need to solve. So in the fifth question, there is another second question is there. I'll solve now. I'll take that and I'll solve now. Okay. So this is the fifth question. Now here I'll take the second one. The second question says they have given the AP terms 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, minus 47. Okay. First convert this mixed fraction to a normal fraction. Okay. So 18, 15 twos is 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2, 13, minus 47. Okay. Now as usual call this one as A1, A2, A3 and so on, and the last one is AN. Okay. So now I'll write the data. So data as usual, the first term is 18. Find the common difference. Common difference formula will be A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So D equals A2 is how much? So A2 is 31 by 2. Here I'll find only A2 minus A1 children's, because if you find A2 minus A1, that will be the common difference. So therefore I'll just take A2 minus A1 only. So 31 minus 2 divided by 31 divided by 2 minus 18. Sorry children's. So 31 divided by 2 minus 18. Okay. Because the second term is 31 by 2 minus A1 is 18. So now nothing is there means 1 will be there. So therefore take the LCM. LCM will be 2. So 2 ones are 131. 1 into 31 is 31 minus 1 twos are 18 twos are 36. Now here children's, one thing I will say. So here denominator are different. So therefore I am taking the LCM. So for the LCM method, whatever the method people, whatever your teacher had taught for you people, that method you can use. Okay. So here, so 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2. So therefore the common difference is minus 5 by 2. So here what I have said is, see whatever method you can use to take the LCM and simplifying it, but I need the answer as minus 5 by 2. That's it. Okay. Again I'll apply the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now just observe carefully here because it's a fraction. So fraction is there. So therefore observe here. Now apply the data to the formula. So therefore an equals to minus 47. So n equals to question mark. Now apply this data to this formula nth term, to the nth term formula. Okay. So now nth term they have given, nothing but the last term they have given. So nothing but that is minus 47. So here I'll apply minus 47 because an is minus 47 equals to a is how much? 18 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 5 by 2. Okay. So why I am writing n? Because we are finding the n only. Okay. So therefore here again send minus 18 to the left hand side, it will become minus 18. So 18 to the left hand side, if you send 18 to the left hand side, it will become minus 18. So minus 47. So minus 18 equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now just observe carefully here childrens. So minus into minus will be plus. Okay. So therefore you need to add. So if you add this, the answer is minus 65. Okay. Equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now here what you need to do is, So what you need to do is you need to send the minus 5 by 2 left hand side. Okay, so when you're sending the minus 5 by 2 or like this fraction number, when you're sending this fraction number to the left hand side, so it will become the reciprocal, nothing but, see, if suppose if you send minus 5 by 2, I'll write here, just observe here children. So if you send minus 5 by 2 the RHS or LHS, it will become 2 by 5, it's minus 2 by 5, okay, or 2 by minus 5, okay. I'll not write here, again I'll write here. So if you send minus 5 by 2 the RHS or the LHS, it will become 2 by minus 5. For example, if you send 3 by 8 to the LHS or RHS, so it will become 8 by 3. Now you have understood, I think so, okay. So this is for your reference. So now here send the minus 5 by 2 the LHS. So if you send minus 5 by 2 the LHS, so it will become 2 by minus 5. So minus 65 remains same into, because multiplication division is there, if you send division to the right hand side, it will become multiplication. So minus 5 by 2 is there. Now it will become 2 by minus 5. Just observe here children, for your reference I have wrote here. So again I'll write, if you send 21 by 16 to the right hand side or LHS or RHS, means it will become 16 by 21. In this case, in this type of case, if you send, then it will become the reciprocal. So therefore minus 5 by 2 will become 2 by minus 5 equals to n minus 1. Now here minus minus get cancelled, make a cross multiple, 5 1s are 5, remaining is 1, so therefore it's 13, okay, nothing but 13 5s are 65. So 5 1s are 5, remaining is 1, 5 3s are 15. Now whatever remaining is, I'll write, so the remaining will be 13 into 2 equals to n minus 1. Now 13 2s are 26 equals to n minus 1. Now here I'll write like this, n minus 1 equals to 26. So I have just wrote that in a reverse order. Now send minus 1 to the right hand side. So n equals to 26 plus 1, the answer is 27. Now what is the meaning of this? So therefore the 27th term will become minus 47. So I'll write here, so 27th term will become the minus 47. Okay children, just observe here, you need to observe the third step, here the fourth step and the fifth step. Okay, so here I am sending 18 to the left hand side, it will become minus 18. So therefore minus 47 minus 18, minus into minus is plus, so therefore, so the answer is minus 65 equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now here send minus 5 by 2 the left hand side. When you are sending minus 5 by 2 left hand side, it will become 2 by minus 5. So keeping the minus 65 there only, so minus 65 into, now it's division, if you send to the right hand side it will become multiplication. So therefore 2 by minus 5 equals to n minus 1. Here minus minus get cancelled, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are nothing but 13 5s are 65. So the remaining is 13 2s are nothing but 13 into 2 equals to n minus 1. Now 13 2s are 26 equals to n minus 1. Now n minus 1 equals to 26, send 1 minus 1 to the right hand side. So therefore n equals 26 plus 1, the answer is 27. Symbol, children, here I'll just show you people, just observe here, I'll write here, okay, just observe here, whenever you're sending minus 5 by 2, it will become 2 by minus 5, symbol will not change. Okay, for example, if you are sending 2 by minus 5, then it will become minus 5 by 2. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question, the sixth one. Now it's a very important problem, the sixth one, childrens. I think you have understood the fifth problem, childrens, the fifth main, the second one. So now, very important problem, the sixth one. The same problem can be asked for your coming examination. Just I have observed this question so many times in a preparatory exam, in a main examination also. So this question has been repeated in so many exams. So therefore, it's a very important question for 2 mark. Okay. Okay. Now, the question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the EAP 11, 8, 5, 2 or not. You need to check minus 150 is a term or not of this EAP. That is what you need to find. Okay. So as usual, I'll write the EAP first, 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. As usual, call this as A1, first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. So now you need to check minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. Now how will you check? Simple. Just by taking the AN, nothing but nth term formula. So that means minus 150 is a term or not, that is what you need to check. So therefore it will become AN, nothing but the last term. So I'll write the data here again. Now, so the A value, the first term is 11. You need to find the common difference, A2 minus A1. So A2 is 8 minus 11. So therefore the common difference is minus 3. Here AN is minus 150 and you need to find whether this minus 150 is a term or not. So therefore N equals to question mark. Now I'll write the nth term formula. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So now just I'll apply the data to the formula. AN is minus 150 equals to A is 11 plus N we don't know and into D. The common difference is minus 3. So therefore minus 150 equals to, here 11 plus, now what you need to do is just multiple this minus 3 to N as well as minus 3 to minus 1. Okay. So therefore when you are multiplying this, you need to multiple the numbers as well as the symbols. Now here what I have said is you need to multiple this minus 3 to this N as well as minus 3 to this minus 1. Now I'll multiple the symbols first. Minus into plus is minus, so therefore it will become minus here. So therefore minus into plus is minus, so 3 into N is 3N. Okay. Plus, now here minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3. Again I will say childrens, 11 will be there, remains same only. Now here minus into plus is minus, 3 into N is 3N. Minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3. So minus 150 equals to, now 11 plus 3 is, so 11 plus 3 is 14. Okay, minus 3N. Now here just send 14 to left hand side. So if you send plus 14 to left hand side, it will become minus 14. So minus 150 minus 14 equals to minus 3n. So minus 3n remains same. Now minus into minus is plus, so therefore you need to add 150 plus 14 is minus 164 equals to minus 3n. Here minus minus get cancelled. The remaining is 164 equals to 3n. Now I'll write this in a reverse order. 3n equals to 164. Now you need the value of n, so therefore I'll keep the n there only. I'll send the 3 to the right hand side. So 164 divided by 3. Now here children, if you have checked this, it is not divisible by 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. So 1 is the remaining 14. So therefore it is not fully dividing. So nothing but what is the meaning of this is, now because here this number is not divisible by 3, so therefore we can write here n is not a natural number. N is not a natural number. Okay, so for this reason we can say minus 150 is not a term of the AP, whatever they have given, term of the AP 11, 8, 5, commas and so on.